Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another Canva tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be just putting some text around a circle. So here we are with just a blank canvas, 1000 by 1000, and let's grab ourselves a circle in the elements. Let's just go back and just type in circle, just want a circle shape. So lines and shapes, there's our circle, and let's just drag that out now. We'll change the colour of this actually. But just drag it out, something like that. Let's just change this colour to something, maybe something like that. That should do. Let's push it up a bit and centre it. That should do us. Now we just need to add a border to this. So let's click on the border and we'll probably make it something like 6 so we can see it. And then we'll go in circle frames. Let's type in circle frames. Here's our frames. I just want a frame with a border. Something like that might do. That's a bit too thick. So let's choose this one. And drag that out and centre. Something like that. Let's just change that border. So it's quite a thick border, that, isn't it? Let's just change this one as well to make it something similar. Does that look similar? It looks very similar. Now I'm just going to put an image in here now. I'll just go back to elements. And we'll just choose this one. This is a pro one, but there's different ones you can choose. All different types of sunsets and tropical views, but I do like this one. I just want to drag that. Oops, drag that inside. And I just want this palm trees to be black. So it really punches out. So there you go, that's the basis. Could call it a logo, I suppose. I just want to add some text now. So because it's a tropical scene, just need to do like a tropical title for it. So I'll just choose something like Waikiki Beach. Waikiki Beach, Honolulu, I think it is. Waikiki Beach, Honolulu. And let's drag this down. Actually, it might be a little bit too big. That maybe 45 might do. So look at that. That might do. Let's go on effects now. You can see at the bottom here we got the curve. So we'll click on the curve. We can control this curve. Let's just push it up so we can get a better idea of where it should be centre wise. Oops. Click on effects again, and then we can drag this round. There you can see it actually clicks into the centre. And I'm just going to add what can we do with this? I'll just add an outline to this text now. So I'll just make it a white outline. And I'll do it probably maybe to 100, I think. So there you go, there's our text. And just to finish this off, I'll just add a ribbon at the bottom actually. There's a ribbon that we can add. Let's just drag this out. Let's get it in the centre. Something like that. Let's choose the same colour as the. You can choose whatever different colours you want. I'll just choose the black as well to get the bold so it all matches up. That's quite nice. We'll just do some more text. So let's click on the text again. I want Canva Sans with this. You can obviously experiment with different fonts, different text types. And Honolulu, that's Hawaii, isn't it? I think that's how you spell Hawaii. I might actually, yeah, we'll keep it at that for now. Let's just drag this down so we can see what we're doing with it. That's a bit too big. maybe something like that. So we can put the curve on here now. So click on effects again and curve. And that's too much of a curve, isn't it? So just follow that ribbon shape. Yeah, that seems okay. Let's go on effects again and put an outline in this. Same thing again, I'll do the white. And I'll do it to 100 and see what that looks like. Yeah, it looks like that looks okay. Right, let's have a bit of fun now. Let's add a camper van. I'm on the Pro obviously, but you can grab these as well, free ones in the free version. Just to finish it off. Maybe a bit too big. Let's bring it down a little bit and sit it on that text, something like that. Is that in the centre? Oops, there it goes. Now, if you do want to change the size of this font, so let's just make this font a bit bigger, you'll see that the curve will change. So let's just change it to 50. So as you can see, it's changed again. So this is to go back to the curve now, and then recenter that with the guides there, and that is it. There's your little logo with text inside a circle. A little bit extra there with a little camper van, but makes a nice little logo with that. Very, very simple to do. Add with a ribbon as well. Obviously you can put text inside, put text outside, whatever you want to do. As I always say, you're only limited to your imagination. Let's just make that a little bit bigger so we can all see. But nice little logo. You can do that in just a few minutes, very, very quickly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe to support this new channel, which is dedicated to doing graphic design on Canva. So thank you again. My name is Mark Anthony, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care and bye for now.